In this tutorial, I will walk you through step by step on how to get a refund from 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or MyBigFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials about importation business. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to get a refund on 1688 PEASY tutorial. So let's begin. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my 1688 shopping app. Then having opened up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you need to do is to click on here to visit your profile. Then on getting to your profile, make sure you click on here to check on the item you have paid for but not yet shipped. Alright, so this item right here is what I'm going to refund straight up. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here. Then I click on here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to select the two items. Then I'm getting a refund of 62 yuan. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed. Then I click on here to confirm my refund. Refunded successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to close this pop-up. Then by the time I refresh here, the item will be disappear. So let's quickly go back to my profile. So by the time I refresh my profile, you see we have just one item left. So for us to confirm if this refund is successfully credited back to my Alipay, so we can simply exit from 1688, then I will have to head over to my Alipay account. So here is my Alipay account. So I'm going to click on that. Then I'll click on my message box right here. So you can see the transaction alert. So I will just click on my message box right here to see the refund detail. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on notification bar. Then I have refunded method balance. So this is the refund instruction of the item that was purchased, and here is a refunded notice successful of 62 yuan into my Alipay account. So this is how to simply get a refund on 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.